Steamy Bean here, coming at you from the north on this beautiful Saturday morning. And I'm wondering if I'll see any geese today. You know, one was spotted not too long ago when I was on my trip coming back from Flin Flon with the kids. And I thought I'd see more by now. But that's always a good sign. So right now I'm just taking the dogs out for a nice stroll. Heading off to Pelican Narrows. What brings me to Pelican Narrows? Well, I was invited by Randy to help rescue a dog. So there's an organization led by this woman who does wonderful work, who rescues dogs. So, you know, bless her for her work. There was a dog cull called for Pelican Narrows recently. And there's been a stop to this because this woman insisted going in there and rescuing dogs instead of the dogs having, you know, being put under. So, well, just getting ready. Taking the dogs out for a walk this morning.
How are you? Here, look at this. Get some food.
Come on in. There you go. Get all comfy, eh?
Okay. I'll bring the...
Alrighty, so we are going... So Pretty is the name of the dog.
Careful.
Yeah,
I will.
is going to be rescued. And Pretty is very pregnant. So North of 54 Dog Rescue, that's the organization, said they would help stop the cull here in Pelican. And the dogs being rescued are going to be brought to Alberta. Alberta bound.
I hope she's going to be okay being back in her own.
All right. Well, here comes Pretty, the very pregnant Pretty, coming out.
Yes, please.
All right. So make sure the crates and blankets are ready, and here comes Pretty. So here is Pretty.
She's
Pretty.
She's going to be spayed and returned after she has her babies.
is she?
Yeah, yeah.
So is Pretty Alberta bound?
Pretty, let me think for a minute. No, Pretty is going to North Battleford.
North Battleford?
Battleford.
So
Yeah,
we're-
she's going to go to the Humane Society in North Battleford.
Okay, where are the other dogs going?
I have dogs going as far as Pigeon Lake, Alberta,
Right.
Edmonton,
Right?
Calgary,
And Calgary. So a lot of them are
China.
right.
Yeah, we got Alberta and Saskatchewan going.
Right. So like that song Alberta Bound.
That's right.
Yeah. So here we got the crates in here and blankets all ready for a move.
Yeah, we should have a picture with somebody in it. Who wants to do the honors? Here. Yeah. Coach down beside her. What's her name?
Pretty.
Oh, Pretty.
They call her Pretty because she's pretty.
Exactly.
Yeah.
She is pretty.
I have two
So I
dogs.
definitely want one chicken. Do you have two dogs? Big, small?
Madonna is the mom and the son is Elvis Presley. Not to be confused.
There's a combination.
Yes.
That's okay. I had. She is a big girl.
Yeah.
The big wire one.
Yeah.
No,
I have a wire one, but in the back, but I don't know if it's
Tina
anything.
and Turner.
But whose does this dog belong to? Little one.
It's a spay and return.
And
Oh,
she's
okay,
going
returning?
back to her family today.
Oh,
She
okay.
was out with 5 babies.
Oh, wow.
Look at her. And she, her babies have all now been adopted, and she's
Okay.
been spayed and is going back to her family, and they are super excited.
Right.
Yeah, the girls have been messaging and messaging.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Well, when I get my dog, she was called Coco, but the 6 other dogs in Sandy Bay called Coco, so I changed it to Madonna because she's Chihuahua and having Mexican roots. Well, having Mexican roots, but if I could change it again, I'd call her Linda Ronstadt just because one of my favorite singers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
She can lay in.
it's okay. It's all right.
Check out these two little guys.
Who's in
They're
here?
Sweet. That's a brother and sister, I believe.
Aw, how are you? Aren't you adorable? Eh? Eh? Brother and sister playing nicely together.
You thirsty?
All right. Oops.
Yes, if you can grab me the blanket, that would be awesome. And want something to cover as well, please.
A sheep?
Yeah. Look in here. I
Who's
wanna
this?
show you
Who's this
something.
one?
This one I named Joy.
Joy?
She had her babies in a neighbor's doghouse,
Okay.
and they called me, and of course they wanted their dog to be able
I
to
saw
get in
that
the
on
doghouse.
Facebook.
Yes.
Yes.
Her
Yeah.
babies are back there.
I want to get you a baby and.
And you were on. This was on national news, wasn't it? Like, yes, it was national news.
Serve national news.
Yes,
I
of
think.
course. Everyone, yeah.
Listen to them.
Are you squeezing your babies out there?
Okay. Mama's
Hey,
taking.
my mom
Actually-
lives in.
Do you want to grab a slip meat? Somebody got one?
That's the fight.
All right, so,
What are you gonna do?
all right. Oh, who's this?
This is Joy's puppies.
Oh, okay.
I know, the girls were holding them yesterday.
Look at this one. Are they named yet?
No names.
No?
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Just 3 days old.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at socks.
He does have some.
Okay.
And this one, where's the little brindle?
Over there, that's
this little fattie's the boy.
One here.
Yeah.
Guy.
I'm gonna take her for a walk. Does somebody want to hold this one? I'm gonna take the mama for a walk. Oh, because she can't. You got her?
All right.
Okay.
So Mama's going to stretch her legs.
Because they couldn't get it down, and for me to drive all the way up and down, I missed half the rescue. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Excellent.
All right. All right, folks. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Take care. All righty. Have a safe trip. So that's good news that dogs will be rescued, found homes, looked after. All right. Thanks for watching.